Okay, so we did trusses yesterday, and so if you didn't have that done, you should probably get that truss calculation picture done and using empty solids. But I'm going to look at section properties because we did a bunch of work with centroids a couple weeks ago, and I want you to go through and use empty solids to solve some type of beam. All right. So just going to use this because if you use any of our 3D modeling software next semester, or if you continue this on, you're going to have other ways to solve centroids much faster than the way we've done it so far. So I wanted to show you a new way. And so this way, you're going to submit a picture of this, again, using a phone to take a photo of your design. So you can pick from an I-beam, you can pick from C-channel, whatever. You can make some different ones that are a little bit more unique to you. So if you want to make something completely different, you can go for it. But so I'm going to look for the flanged, and I'm going to go with the, let's go with a C shape. Now, what we can do is with this, we can put in user information. So mine will be different than Alex's or Dax, okay, or Carter's, or Evelyn, or Anna, Mia, Will, Abdul. They'll be different from everybody's, okay? So pick one of these that seems like it's interesting to you and put the values in and find the centroid. So I'm going to say that this has 3" by 1/4" thick with a 5" span. I'll go 8" span. And this is also a 1/4 inch. So if I compute, it updates my photo. So maybe this is like a C channel, like for a big frame of a big truck or something like that, or a semi, I'm not sure. But it calculates where Z or Y, where the location is here. So right now it says that the bottom to the centroid in the Y location is 4.25 inches. Well, I have 8 inches between my C shape here, and I have a 1/4 inch here and a 1/4 inch down here. So that would be 8.5 inches tall. So that would make sense that it's at 4.25 inches. Gives me my moment of inertia, 36.19 inches to the fourth. All right. And again, it is somewhere in here. You can kind of get into your, you can get into your different modulus of elasticities here. You can change that if you wanted to change it into something that's, stronger. Okay, some type of steel, whatever. So you can change that if you want to. And if I go the other way, again, I have 3 inches. So I'm going to probably be less than 1.5 inches for my other direction here. Yeah, and so it plots it right here at 0.71 inches. So from left to centroid, they call it Y. But we have, so maybe we could do this. Can we change this? That makes more sense. XY. Okay. So we have 0.71 from this edge is to the centroid in that direction. So we could have done this. We've done these kind of examples yet on a test, but here you go. You can do this. Solves a lot easier. So take a picture of your centroid and one of these pages here of either your X, your Y, or if you have it on Y to Z, one of these pages as well. All right, so that's your kind of goal here for Thursdays. Come up with a shape. Again, there's lots of different ones. Z, T, L or angle, an I shape. You can even do a general flanged, general challenge, or channel. Okay, there's a bunch of them. So, get a little creative, make it your own, compute it, get that table over here where it has the new Centroid location plotted based on these red lines. Submit that photo into Google Classroom for Thursday's assignment. Have a great rest of your day. See you later.